Hello and welcome, Chef Pennington here. Today we are going to be doing something unique, cantaloupe ice cream. This is a really fun one, it's delicious, it's something a lot of people have never heard of before. It's like, how is this not a thing? I mean, it's so good. So we're going to use 4 ingredients, which makes this super easy. We're going to use a technique called tempering, which is how we're going to incorporate the egg yolks. So let's take a look at our cantaloupe. You want a cantaloupe that's still kind of firm, but you thud it. You're listening for almost like a hollow sound on the inside that'll let you know that it's on its way to ripening. It actually starts to ripen off of the vine. So once you get it home, you want to sit on the counter for like 2 or 3 days. It just allows it to get a little bit sweeter. You want to have a texture similar to that where my finger went in. You want it to make sure it's soft. Pull out all the seeds. It can usually be done in pretty much one big old scoop. But don't rinse it out underwater afterwards. We want those juices. That's extra flavor. So we've got that to the side. And this is just to show you how deep I went in there. Got pretty close to the edge. You want to still leave a little bit of the color on there. Otherwise it gets a little bit green. So we're going to put a pot on medium heat. Got heavy cream. You could use half and half, but that creaminess does come from the heavy cream, the extra creaminess. We're going to take it between 160 and 180. It's an area. The idea is that once we're above 160, the eggs are going to cook. That's the idea of that. You just don't want it to be boiling and scorching the heavy cream. So we're going to take around a fourth of it, something like that, third to a fourth. And we're going to get into a bowl. That bowl is also cold. We're going to let it chill down just a little bit. Actually, the bowl's room temperature, not cold. So we want it to about 140, 150, that area. The idea is that it's not as hot as what's in the pot. We're going to put in just egg yolks, never egg whites when we're making ice cream. And we're going to bring it back into the hotter. Now the heat is off the pot. That's very important. And you want to make sure you whisk really quickly. This is an easy technique. What's going to happen is the eggs are not going to scramble. It's going to stay nice and smooth. So we've got a blender here. You could use a food processor. Don't let any of those delicious juices go to waste. And we're going to mix this together really quick. This just is going to create a more consistent, homogeneous texture when you're done with your ice cream. Then we're going to add in our egg yolks and our cream that's been tempered together and bring everything together. At this point, go ahead and take a little taste, see what it's like. You might want to add a little more sugar. You might want to add a pinch of salt. I like adding salt, maybe about a teaspoon or so. This is an ice cream maker base that's been in the freezer for about 4 hours, 3 hours. And set it up, put it in the freezer. And you guys have got incredible ice cream that your friends and family are going to be like, wow, this is incredible. Please subscribe and stick around. We'd love to have y'all. Below there's going to be a link to all the measurements so you guys can easily pop over there and get some other good tips. And we've got our social media, all that stuff. And y'all have the best. Take care.